What if I told you your Windows PC has hidden tricks that can give you full control like a pro? Sounds unbelievable, right? In this video, I will show you 8 powerful CMD tricks that most people don't know about. And trust me, each and every trick in this video is a total game changer. So stay tuned. Have private files? Want to hide them without extra software? First, let's create a folder that we want to hide. Go to any drive, example C drive or D drive. And create a folder. As I am naming the folder as secret folder. Here you can give anything you like. Go to Windows search and type CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. Here run this command. Attrib space plus s space plus h space c colon / secret folder and then hit enter. Your folder is now completely hidden, even if someone enables show hidden files in Windows. Unlike normal hidden files, this trick marks the folder as a system protected item, making it much harder to find. Now if you want to unhide this folder, then type this command. Attrib space hyphen s space hyphen h space c colon / secret folder and then hit enter. Now you can see the folder is instantly reappears. Ever forgotten your Wi-Fi password? Maybe you need to connect a new device but can't remember it. Don't worry, you can recover your saved Wi-Fi password using CMD in seconds. Just simply type this command. Net space WLAN space show space profiles and press enter. Find your Wi-Fi name from the list and type net space WLAN space show space profiles space name equals Wi-Fi name space key equals clear. And hit enter. Now look for key content. That's your Wi-Fi password. And just like that, your lost Wi-Fi password is recovered in seconds. Ever had a feeling that someone else is controlling your PC? Hackers can secretly access your system without you knowing. But with a simple CMD trick, you can find out if your PC has been hacked in seconds. In the command prompt, type this command. Net start space hyphen ANO and hit enter. This will display a list of all active network connections on your PC. Look under the foreign address column. These are the IPs your PC is connected to. If you see any unknown suspicious IP address, your PC might be compromised. Copy any suspicious IP address and search it on Google to see its origin. If the IP is from an unknown or strange location, someone might be remotely accessing your PC. To check which process is using a suspicious connection, type task list find PID. Replace PID with the process ID from the netstart command. Most hacks happen silently in the background and victims don't realize until it's too late. This simple trick helps you catch intruders before they steal your data. Is your internet slow, lagging, or randomly disconnecting? Your PC might be storing old, outdated DNS records that slow down your connection. But don't worry, just type the following command: ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. You will see a message: successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. This cleared all old, outdated DNS records stored on your PC, forcing it to fetch fresh, updated IP addresses for websites. Ever left your PC on and wished it could shut down automatically after a certain time? Well, with this simple CMD trick, you can schedule an automatic shutdown in seconds. Run this command: shutdown space -s space -t space 20. This sets a shutdown timer for 20 seconds and hit enter. Windows will shut down in 20 seconds. Just replace 20 with the number of seconds you need. If you change your mind and want to stop the shutdown, type shutdown space -a and hit enter. A message will appear: the scheduled shutdown has been cancelled. This trick is perfect if you want to leave a download running, schedule the shutdown before bed, or just save energy without worrying about turning off your PC manually. Is your PC running slow, crashing, or freezing? Your hard drive might have hidden errors causing performance issues. But don't worry, in Windows has a built-in tool to scan and fix this problem instantly using CMD. Type chkdsk space /f space /r and hit enter. If you are scanning your C drive, CMD may ask you to schedule a scan for the next restart. Press Y and hit enter to confirm. Restart your PC. The scan will run and automatically fix any errors. If you just want to check for errors without fixing them, use chkdsk space c : and hit enter. And that's it. Ever wondered how long your PC has been running without a restart? Whether you are a gamer, a developer, or just curious, checking your PC's uptime can help you troubleshoot issues and optimize performance. Run the command system info find space system boot time and hit enter. CMD will display something like this. This tells you exactly when your PC was last restarted. You can also use this command: net space statistics space workstation find space statistics and hit enter. This will show the exact duration your PC has been running. Knowing your PC's uptime can help you identify performance issues, memory leaks, or overheating problems. If your PC has been running for days without a restart, it might be time to reboot and refresh your system. Is your Wi-Fi slow even when you are not using it? There might be unknown devices secretly connected to your network. But don't worry, you can easily find out who's using your Wi-Fi without a simple CMD trick. Just type this command: ARP space -a and hit enter. A list of IP addresses and MAC addresses will appear. These are all the devices currently connected to your Wi-Fi. If you find a suspicious device, it means someone is stealing your Wi-Fi. Change your Wi-Fi password using nets space WLAN space show space profile space name equals Wi-Fi name space key equals clear. This will show your current password and also change it to kick out unwanted users. I don't need to change Wi-Fi password here, so I am not doing it. If you need, then you can use this command. This trick helps you catch Wi-Fi thieves and speed up your internet by removing unwanted users. And that's it. These CMD tricks can make your Windows experience faster, safer and more efficient. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tricks and fixes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.